Following in the successful footsteps of the SMX2600, 3100, 5100 series, DMT is proud to present the SMX2100ST, a compact orthogonal 8-inch grade multitasking turning center. The SMX series Doosan Machine Tools typical 5-axis complex machining center includes the SMX2600, 3100, 5100 series. Among them, SMX2100ST, the latest machine, is the next-generation model with high productivity, precise processing capability, and convenient operation. Rather than being useful to a single industry in particular, the SMX2100ST is especially suited for the machining of complex shapes for diverse industries, including the aviation, medical, and precise machine industries. Shafts, flanges, gears, valves, and many other parts can be machined in a single setup, making this machine ideally suited for the market and customers requiring such machining techniques. The SMX2100ST is equipped with a 1-meter grade dedicated frame with a maximum machinable diameter of pi 600 mm, a maximum machinable length of 1040 mm, and a y-axis travel distance of 210 mm. The y-axis travel currently applied is the right size for 8 inches. In the SMX2100ST, the left-right spindles have the same size, motor power, and torque, which gives them a powerful cutting ability. The adoption of a BMT 55P 12-sided high-rigidity servo-type lower turret has reinforced the complex machining functions of the left and right spindles, the B-axis, and the milling capacity. Consequently, it can provide not only turning and milling functions, but also powerful and complex machining functions, reducing the time taken to complete small quantity batch production by as much as 75%. Meanwhile, the rotary tool 5000 RPM is available as standard feature, while the steady rest and tailstock, both of which can be attached to the turret, are available as options. The machine's orthogonal design structure provides a larger internal space, allowing the use of X and Y axis and the length of 630 mm and 210 mm respectively, and a compact milling spindle with a length of 420 mm, thereby increasing the flexibility of the machining process and improving productivity, as well as improving work convenience for the operator, such as when setting parts. What's more, the X1 axis feed is the same as Doosan's SMX2600, while machining efficiency has been significantly increased by securing the large Q-setter interference mirror. The small and compact milling spindle is equipped with a powerful motor that enables the operator to perform 6-phase machining for turning milling more efficiently. A high-speed milling spindle of 20,000 RPM is also available as an option. Equipped with a high-speed cooling unit and a smart thermal error compensation function, the SMX2100ST provides the highest level of precision even during long-time machining and delivers beautifully machined surfaces when machining contours with BC axis control of up to 0.0001 degrees. Ease of operation has been improved with the addition of such features as a tool magazine at the front, a swivel operation panel with adjustable height, and a convenient ATC magazine operation panel. Furthermore, the adoption of a user-friendly work guidance function guarantees outstanding user convenience when operating and maintaining the machine. For SMX2100ST, so-called optimized technology, the latest future technology trend is reflected. As a result, CUFOS with CPS and tool management functions, as well as Sinumeric 1, AI, sketch cycle, etc., can be applied as options. In addition, by applying the IHMI touch method to the FANUC 31IB+, we've created a user-friendly environment and increased the convenience of operation. The frequently used bar feeder automation interface has been improved, and part unloading can be applied to both the left and right spindles. Accordingly, it shows strength in chip processing and automation response. So far, we've looked into the compact orthogonal 8-inch multitasking turning center of the SMX series, the SMX2100ST. If you are interested in the SMX2100ST, which has been upgraded from its panoramic window exterior and various functions, please contact your nearest dealer.